Hello everyone, welcome back again. So in this video, we'll explore how to tackle one of the most optimization problem in computer science, the traveling salesman problem using Python. So are you ready? Now let's start the video. अब आपको स्क्रीन तो दिख रही होगी. अब स्टार्ट करते हैं हम. First of all, we have to import the iter tools library. The लिख दिया होगा. Import the tools. Now we have to define the cities and the distances. स्टार्ट करते हैं, धीरे धीरे करते हैं, सारे इकट्ठे करेंगे. Make sure every alphabet is in capital letter so it is easy to read. And comma C is to 15 distance, comma B is to 20. Now let's take the second P ACD. Define calculate total distance. Okay, in this we have to take route. Total distance equals to 0. Total distance equals to 0. Now we have to take the for loop for I in range total length of route. Total length of route minus 1 from the last. Okay. Now total distance and total distance plus equals to cities that covers route of every value that we are now assuming I. Now route again for the next, now incrementing the value of I. Okay. Total distance plus equals to cities route of minus 1. Now route you have to take this in brackets, so now 0. Now we have to return the total distances. In the next step we have to take all the permutations. Okay, permutations, all the spelling is correct. Make sure every word you write is correct, otherwise in the end you will get ending with the error. Iter tools dot permutations in bracket cities that we have mentioned above dot keys. Okay, now we have to define the shortest route. Shortest route is equals to none. There is no shortest root mentioned, so here we are taking none. Okay. Now shortest root again, shortest distance equals to float, float of integer. Integer, not integer, in INF. Now again, we have to iterate through all the permutation and calculate distances. Okay. For now, we are again have to take the for loop. For now, I am taking for permutations. Okay. In all permutations that I mentioned above. Okay. Not again distance. Distance equals to calculate total distance permutation of. Okay. We are going all the right. Now distance, if distance is less than shortest distance, we take shortest distance equals to distance, and shortest route equals to permutation. Now at last, print all the result. Shortest route is shortest route. Print shortest distance. Shortest distance. Okay. Now let's see our code is correct or not. Yeah, let's save the library. Now, okay, our code is correct. We're getting the shortest distance is 80. The shortest route is ABDC. So, did you get the answer? Thank you for joining on this beautiful journey through the TSP using Python. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And एक lesson जो बहुत motivation मिलती है. And keep subscribing. See you in the next one. Okay. Bye bye. Have a good day.